Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your YouTube videos in full HD quality. So first of all, just open up the YouTube application in your mobile and then you have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, click on it, and when you are here, you will see the option settings. You have to click on the settings option and then you have to tap on the first option, general, click on it, and in general you will see various options, but you have to tap on this upload option. And when you tap on upload, you will see these two options that you want to upload on only Wi-Fi or on any network. So you can choose any of them between, like only on Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then the next option, you will see voice research language. You have to click on it. So you have to tell the YouTube that in which language your YouTube video will be searched. So you can select any language here. All the languages are here. And the next option is location. You can select the location of your video. There are all the countries, European, Asian, Arab countries, all the countries are here. You can select any country here. And then you will see this option, appearance. Click on it. You can also change the theme, like light theme, dark theme, whatever you want. And when I go back, after backing, you will see the option video quality preferences. You have to tap on this. You will see these options, video quality on mobile networks. So there is auto, higher quality, and data saver. So you have to tap on this higher picture quality, and there are two options. So in the first option, so we have to choose higher picture quality, and in the second option we also have to choose higher picture quality on Wi-Fi also. So after doing these settings, your video will be uploaded in high quality. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.